Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to open a Terabox video link without an app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, there are a lot of ways you can do it. So first simple easy way is to simply open your device and tap open your Telegram app. So from your home screen, you need to simply launch open your Telegram app, and once you open your Telegram, you need to make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now here in the search bar, simply search for a bot like Terabox Best Bot or try Terabox_link bot if available. Now simply click the start button, and when you do this, a chatbot will open up. Now simply paste your Terabox link right over there and then get the video. So after you have done this, the bot will respond with a direct watch link or sometimes a download link as well, or even an embedded video player right besides your Telegram logo or inside your Telegram chat. So by doing this, you can simply open a Terabox video link without an app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.